how to download Netflix on LG TV. So if you want to basically download Netflix on LG TV, all you have to do is, first of all, Netflix might come pre-installed, so you can try to check for it within this bottom toolbar of the apps. Right here you can see Netflix. In my case it came pre-installed, but if not, then you can also manually install it on your LG TV from your app store. So simply go to the app section that you'll be able to find here, let your app store load up, and also keep in mind, to be able to download apps on your LG TV, you need to make sure to basically first log into your LG TV account, and only after you've logged into your LG TV account, you'll find the search icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. So you can just go to the search bar, and from the search bar, all you have to do over here is you'll be able to simply go ahead and then make sure to search for the Netflix application there, right? So just go ahead and then search for Netflix, and once you search for Netflix, you'll find the application over there, and you can search for it, and if it is already installed, you'll find the launch button. If it is not already installed, then you'll find the option to go ahead and then install it from your app store, and this way you will be able to download Netflix on LG TV. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.